Let's explore how to use the TubeProfits Chrome extension. TubeProfits is a powerful browser extension that instantly transforms YouTube videos into valuable, repurposable content. You can harness the power of the world's top 5 AI tools. Using the extension, go to YouTube and browse videos in your selected niche. Choose a video that has quality content and a substantial number of likes. Visit the video page and wait until it fully loads. Then, click the TubeProfits extension icon from the toolbar, or click the TubeProfits button added to the right-hand panel. You'll now see the TubeProfits interface. An unformatted transcript of the video appears here. Next, choose the type of content you want to create from the drop-down menu. Select from 10 different content models. Then click the Create button. Now, select your preferred AI platform. Available options include ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Grok, Claude, and Google Gemini. A free account with any of these tools is sufficient. Click the corresponding button to open the chatbot in a new tab. The generated prompt will be automatically pasted into the chat input field. If it doesn't appear, you can manually paste it from your clipboard. Click to generate the content. A new, unique piece of content is now ready to use. You can return to the TubeProfits tool and choose a different AI platform to generate alternate versions of the content. If you want to create a different type of content, select another content model and click the Create button again. Then, choose your AI platform as before. Hope you find this powerful Chrome extension useful. Thanks for watching.